So today I didn't even trade because it's the last day of school, but now I'm home and I have to go soon, so I'm just gonna record a video to see what happened and see where we could have taken trades if I traded. So let's start with the 30-minute time frame, and we have to mark out the wicks of Asia low right here, like this, and then you would mark out the wicks of Asia high like this, and the same for session as well. I'm gonna do it now just so that I don't have to do it later. And let me make it green. Okay, then we go to the 5-minute and we wait for price to either touch one of these or push through them and sweep out liquidity. Here we get a sweep, we get a reach into it right here, and after that we inverse a fair value gap right here, and that would be your entry. Then so you would enter on the close of this candle right here that closed above. This one did not close above, but this one did, so this would be your entry. Stop has to be below the low of the fair value gap, like this, or that inverse, and then you can aim at 1.5 R right here. That's this, and then also for protection you had this 5-minute fair value gap right here. Then we have to wait for London, and London, as you can see, takes out London finishes, and then we take out London high right here, and from there we get a so now let's see what price can do in order to give us a setup. Okay, so you can see a lot of wicks right here on the hourly time frame. We don't have much. On the 50-minute time frame, nothing much as well. So here I would probably end up on 0.5% plus on the day because we had a win here, and then for me I would probably take this. If I was watching the market, I would take this short. We inverse this, so we take out these two highs, and then we inverse a fair value gap right here, boom, and that is where I would enter after we close below it. So I would enter right here, and then the stop would have to be just let's put it above the bodies, for example. Then you would target 1.5 R, and you would lose here. But if you didn't take this trade, then price inversed, or what my mentee took today, he didn't take this one because it was like so simple and not really I think I would take this one, but he waited and then he entered on this huge candle to the downside, so because it gave an inverse and a break structure, so he looked at a bigger fair value gap right here. He looked at that and also a break structure right here. So once it inversed, he entered right here, and you can put a stop at 50% of the candle, or like I like to do, above the inversion, and then simply target 1.5 R like this. And yeah, those are the trades that you could have taken today. This one just doesn't seem right. It's a very small fair value gap, and yeah, but this one is way more secure. So even if I took this one, I probably would have entered into this one as well because it's so strong. And yeah, as you can see, price does this. So that's it in terms of the forex strategy today. In terms of NQ, let me review that really fast. I mean, we are still inside of the trading time, but let me see what I even see here. Okay, so we can see a long from this huge gap, so I'll look at that, and then let's see. Okay, we don't have much because price pushed to the downside here in pre-market. Yeah, there's nothing much for me here, honestly. 930 doesn't do anything. London is all the way maybe, just maybe, this, if we counted that we inversed this gap and we did the break structure right here in the 4-hour time frame, we are in a 4-hour downtrend right now. And then what we can look at is that we retraced into the hourly fair value gap right here, and from there we can maybe find a short. For example, we take out this high right now, and after that, if we take out this, this is the 15-minute buy side, if we take that out, we can then maybe, for example, inverse this fair value gap right here, and that would be your confirmation. So you would start looking for a sell there, and then so price would do something like this. We take out liquidity, we inverse this, which is similar to the break structure, basically the same. And after that, we either leave a fair value gap inside here, inside of this move to the downside, or we leave another block or something like that. Then price retrace back into that. Let's say that we left a fair value gap, so price retrace back into it, and then from here you drop to the 1-minute time frame and find a 1-minute inversion or break structure to then target these lows to the downside. So that's how I would look at it if we get all of those confirmations, but unfortunately I'm not trading today, so yeah, markets have been tough these days, this week especially. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. And next week, I'm excited for next week because I'm gonna be fully focused and fully trading my strategies, because I'll have that week free. I'm not working and I'm not going to school, so I'll be able to watch all of those, trade both strategies with pure like focus. So yeah, I won't make mistakes and I'll execute A plus steps. Basically, that's what I wanted to see. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new and understood my strategy a little bit better. So yeah, thank you for watching.